Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. Today we're looking at this important questions on introduction to trigonometry, and we have reached the part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, then go to the playlist and watch it so that you feel comfortable in part 2. All right. I'll be writing the questions one by one, and whenever I write the question, please pause the video and try to solve them. If you don't get the answer, then go for the solution. If you get the answer, well and good, then compare your solution with the solution what I'm doing here. All right, let's get started. Here is the first question. Let us take a first question here. If triangle ABC is right angled at B, right angled at B, what is the value of cos of A plus C? All right, so here I have got one right triangle. All right angled at B, that means this must be B, and this is ABC. All right, so this is 90 degree. Now they are asking us to find cos of A plus C. What are the values of A and C? A plus C, this will be 90, no? So we know this A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Interior angles of a triangle sum. I mean, sum of interior angles also you can write. So that is equal to 180 degree, and this A is A and B is 90 degree. C is as usual C, that is equal to 180 degree. So A plus C is equal to, it becomes 180 degree minus 90, so that is equal to 90 degree. So that is like A plus C, and here also they are asking A plus C, no? So A plus C means that is 90 degree. Cos of A plus C means cos of 90. So what is value of cos of 90? 0, right? So this is the final answer. All right, so it was quite a simple question. Let's move on to the second question. Second question is like this. If root 3 cot square theta minus 4 cot theta plus root 3 is equal to 0, find the value of cot square theta plus tan square theta. All right, now look at this. I mean, what is the given data? Write down the given data first of all. What is that given data? Root 3 cot square theta minus 4 cot theta plus root 3 is equal to 0. So this is the given data. All right, so in that you have to get the value of cot square theta plus tan square theta. All right, so cot square theta plus tan square theta means, how to do this? I mean, here already some cot square theta is there, and I want something like I mean tan theta also. To get tan theta, I should get something like 1 divided by cot theta and all. Now we can do one logic here. Look at this. This is root 3 and this is root 3. I mean, in first term and third term, root 3 is there. So let's keep them one side. I mean, root 3 cot square theta, then it is plus root 3. No, I mean, let us do it as minus, all right, I mean plus root 3, let me write it down, and minus 4 cot theta, let me write it on another side. So that is equal to 0. Is it correct? I haven't done anything, I mean indifferent. So this root 3 is there, no? Plus root 3 I have written it before, and this minus 4 cot theta I have written it afterwards. All right, so now in the starting two terms, okay, let them keep it like that. Otherwise I can take common also. If I take root 3 common, so what will remain inside? Cot square theta plus 1 will remain, no, in the starting two terms, and you send this minus 4 cot theta that side, it becomes plus 4 cot theta. I think you're understanding what I'm trying to say. Now we have this cot square theta plus 1, right? So let us keep this root 3 bracket cot square theta plus 1, and if I bring this cot theta this side, it becomes divided by cot theta, correct? So that is equal to 4. I hope you must be understanding it what I'm writing here. All right, so now let us send this root 3 also that side. So what remains here? Cot square theta plus 1 divided by cot theta, and that is equal to 4 by root 3. Okay, observe this solution how it is being done. Then cot square theta plus 1 divided by cot theta means it can be written as a cot square theta divided by cot theta plus 1 divided by cot theta, and that is equal to 4 by root 3. All right, so this cot square theta divided by cot theta means this here two cot theta are there, so one will get cancelled, here also one will get cancelled. What remains here? Cot theta remains here, plus 1 by cot theta means tan theta, and that is equal to 4 by root 3. Correct. But what they're asking for, they're asking for cot square theta plus tan square theta means I have got cot theta plus tan theta. No, you do one thing, I mean, now you can square on both sides, squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. So whenever we are squaring on both sides, what we'll get here, I mean, this is quite simple, no? So that is going to be cot theta plus tan theta whole square is equal to 4 by root 3 whole square. All right, so then I'm going to have this as a plus b whole square. No, a plus b whole square means this is going to be cot square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 cot theta into tan theta, and that is equal to 4 square is 16 divided by root 3 whole square is 3. All right, so then afterwards I'm going to have this one as the cot square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 cot theta into tan theta can be written as 1 over cot theta. All right, so that is equal to 16 by 3. So cot theta they got cancelled. Now what is remaining here? Cot square theta plus tan square theta plus 2, and that is equal to 16 by 3. All right, then afterwards I'm going to have a cot square theta plus tan square theta, and that is equal to 16 by 3 minus 2. All right, so 1 will be there in the denominator. Then I'm going to have a cot square theta plus tan square theta is equal to, what is LCM here? 3 is LCM, 3 ones are 1 3s are, so it becomes 16 minus 6. So 16 minus 6 is 10, so 10 divided by 3, or you can write it as 3.33 also. All right, I hope this question is quite clear now. Now let us move on to the third question. So let us have a look at this third question. What is this third question? In triangle ABC, no, I mean, I have this bunch of questions. I was writing fourth question. Let us take this third question. If x is equal to a secant theta and y is equal to b tan theta, then prove that b square x square minus a square y square is equal to a square b square. All right, whenever this kind of proof questions are come, you have to observe it very, I mean, keenly. X is equal to some value is given, well and good. I mean, something is there, a and secant theta, and y is given, which is like b tan theta. Then they are asking us to prove that b square, b, I mean, we don't know b, what is b, I mean, this is independent. So x square means, look at this, x is given and this square can be done, and again a square is given, that is independent. Y square is given means y is b tan theta, right? Again we can square it. So that is the only trick what we have here. LHS, let us start from LHS. What is LHS? B square x square minus a square y square. All right, b square x square minus a square y square. Now let me write b square, and x square means what it becomes? X means what is there? A secant theta is there, then whole square, minus a square is there, y square means what is there? Y means, look at this, what is that? B tan theta whole square. All right, okay, so it becomes b square, then it is a square and secant square theta. All right, all fundamentals, then minus a square, and here also b square, and it becomes tan square theta. Correct. Now if you have a look at these two terms, I mean, here is the first term and here is the second term. B square is there, here also b square is there, a square is there, here also a square is there. Look at this, a square b square they're asking for, no? So what you can take common? You can take common, that is a square, b square you can take common, and what remains in the bracket? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. All right, you know about secant square theta minus tan square theta, no? So a square minus a square b square, and this value, it becomes 1 or not? Observe this. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what is there? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, correct? I mean, bring that tan square theta that side. So 1 is equal to, it becomes secant square theta minus tan square theta. So secant square theta minus tan square theta means it is 1. So a square b square into 1 is a square b square. All right. So which is equal to RHS. So hence it is proved. All right. So this was also quite simple question, but it needed your keen observation. All right. Let's move on to the fourth question. Let us solve this fourth question. In a triangle ABC, show that sine square of a by 2 plus sine square of b plus c by 2 is equal to 1. All right, there is one triangle. Okay, I mean, whether is it a right triangle, we don't know. I mean, there is one triangle, right, ABC. In that we have to show sine square of a by 2 plus sine square of b plus c by 2 equal to 1. So look at this. In the triangle ABC means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree or not? Why it is 180 degree? Because sum of interior angles of triangle. Sum of interior angles of triangle. Correct, no? So in this, I mean, whenever this kind of b plus c by 2 comes, no, you have to simplify it. That is like b plus c is equal to 180 degree minus a. Now this b plus c is there. Now you divide, I mean, both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Okay, once you divide both sides by 2, what it becomes? It becomes b plus c by 2, and that is equal to 180 degree minus a by 2. All right, so afterwards what it becomes? B plus c by 2 is equal to 180 degree divided by 2 minus a by 2. All right, so then afterwards it becomes b plus c by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 is 90, so that becomes 90 degree minus a by 2. All right, now look at this LHS term. Let us have a look at this LHS term. What is this LHS term? That LHS term is sine square of a by 2 plus sine square of b plus c by 2. All right, so it becomes sine square a by 2 plus sine square of, look at this b plus c by 2. What is this b plus c by 2? We got b plus c by 2 as 90 minus a by 2, right? So instead of this b plus c by 2, we are going to keep this 90 minus a by 2. 90 degree minus a by 2, because it is proved above. You can give equation number 1 and you can say from 1 we have written this. You can give reason like that. Then afterwards what it becomes? It becomes sine square of a by 2 plus sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta, right? Here also 90 minus, look at this, 90 minus a by 2 is there. So that's why it becomes cos a by 2, and square is there means it becomes square also. So that is cos square a by 2. Now look at this sine square a by 2 and cos square a by 2. Sine square a by 2 plus cos square a by 2 means sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So I'm going to get this as a 1, which is equal to RHS. Correct? So we wanted to prove this. So this is proved. All right. So this was the fourth question. Let us move on to the fifth question. Let us have a look at this fifth question. Prove that sine theta plus cos theta plus 1 into sine theta minus 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 divided by cosecant theta into secant theta. All right, so we have to start from LHS, then we have to reach at RHS. Now by looking at this, what do you feel? Look at this pattern. Sine theta plus cos theta is there. Here also sine theta plus cos theta, and plus 1 minus 1. All right, I mean, let us try to write that LHS. So what is LHS? Let us have a look at that. That is sine theta plus cos theta plus 1. Okay, and again I'm going to have a sine theta minus 1 plus cos theta. This is the raw data given, and afterwards I can write it like this, no? I mean sine theta plus cos theta plus 1 into sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. We can write it like this, no? All right, now look at this. This data can be it can be divided like this, no? Look at this, sine theta plus cos theta, sine theta plus cos theta, correct? This can be considered as one term, no? I mean I can put one bracket here. For this also one bracket I can keep like this, no? I mean we can do it in a separate bracket, I mean by making this as the square bracket and all, but like this also it will work out. It is of the form a plus b. Here a means sin theta plus cos theta, a plus b into a minus b. Can you observe that? Let me rewrite, then only you are able to understand. I will remove this arrow marks. Now let us try to keep this. Let me make this white completely so that it reaches the normal stage and we are able to write it down. Look at this. I mean how we can write this? We can write this as one square bracket, and inside this I can write it as sine theta plus cos theta, then plus 1. All right, into what I can write, sine theta plus cos theta, then minus 1. Correct, no? A plus b into a minus b. Then it becomes what? A plus b into a minus b means a square. A square means what? Sine theta plus cos theta whole square. Correct? That is like a square minus b square. So it is of the form a plus b whole square, no? A plus b whole square means it becomes a square, that is sine square theta, plus b square means cos square theta, plus 2ab means 2 sine theta into cos theta, then minus 1 square is 1. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, plus 2 sine theta into cos theta, that is minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 they got cancelled. What is remaining now? 2 sine theta into cos theta. But what they are asking for? They are asking us to show this equal to 2 divided by cosecant theta into secant theta. Now 2 we have got, divided by cosecant theta. If we want 2 into sine theta can be written as 1 over cosecant theta, into cos theta can be written as 1 over secant theta. Now 2 into 1 is 2, and divided by cosecant theta into secant theta. All right, so which is equal to RHS, hence it is proved. I hope you got it. Now let us move on to the sixth question. The sixth question is like this: if 3 cot A is equal to 4, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. All right, I mean we have to check this. Now let us take a triangle here. Let us take a right triangle. All right, so let me name it as a B, C. A I am writing here, it becomes easy for us. Let us take this as the 90 degree. Cot A they are saying. You understand the meaning of 3 cot A they have given, no? So 3 cot A is equal to how much is there? 4 is there. Cot A is equal to how much it becomes? It becomes 4 by 3, right? Cot A is equal to 4 by 3. So that means what is the meaning of cot A? Tell me. Tan means opposite by adjacent, and cot means adjacent. For this A, this angle A, whatever this angle A is there, so for this angle what is the adjacent? This is the adjacent. That means this must be 4 parts and this must be 3 parts. So 4 parts means it becomes 4k and this becomes 3k. And how about this AC? This AC becomes 5k. So that can be found out by using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem you have to find out that also, because this question can be asked for 4 mark. At that time those things are required. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. All right, so AC square we don't know. Immediately I wrote it as 5k. it will come 5k because famous Pythagorean triplet, no? So AC square is equal to AB square means 4k whole square plus BC square means 3k whole square. Alright, so it becomes AC square is equal to 16k square plus 9k square. So that is like AC square is equal to what it becomes? It becomes 25k square, and AC is equal to under root of 25k square means it becomes 5k. So the value of AC is like 5k. Alright. Now they are asking us to check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Okay. Now let us take that LHS. So what is that LHS? I mean 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A, no? So 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Okay, you can know the value of tan A directly. Cot A is 4 by 3 means tan A is 3 by 4, and you can get to know this from this triangle also. Here is the angle A, right? Opposite is 3, adjacent is 4, so it becomes 3 by 4. All right, so it becomes 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square and divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So this is the LHS value. Let us find out this. So this is like 1 minus 16 divided not 16, 9, right? 3 square is 9. So 9 divided by 16 all divided by 1 plus 9 divided by 16. Again 1 is the LCM here. So we are going to take the LCM here. The LCM is going to be 16. That becomes 1 16 and 16 1 it becomes 16 minus 9. Then all divided by what is LCM here? 16 is the LCM. So 1 16 and 16 1 so it becomes 16 plus 9. Alright, so 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 by 16, then all divided by 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 divided by 16, so ultimately it becomes 7 by 16 into 16 by 25. So 16 and 16 they will get cancelled, and then I am going to get the answer 7 by 25. That means LHS. So whatever this LHS is there, the value of this LHS is 7 by 25. The same value I should get it for RHS also. Let us try to do it for RHS. So what is the value of RHS? So already the RHS is known. So what is that RHS? Look at this RHS. Where is it? I think the RHS is cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. So let us do that. So cos square A minus sin square A. Alright. So what is the value of cos A and sin A? Let us try to get that. Cos A means how much it will be? Cos A is like adjacent divided by hypotenuse, no? That is 4k divided by 5k whole square. So let me write that. So cos A is 4k divided by 5k whole square minus what is sin A? Sin A is like opposite divided by hypotenuse, no? 3k divided by 5k. So it becomes 3k divided by 5k whole square. All right, so it becomes what it becomes, k get cancelled. So 4 by 5 whole square, no? So 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25, minus here also k got cancelled, and it becomes 9 by 25. All right, 16 minus 9 is 7. So 7 divided by 25. So RHS and LHS, 7 by 25, and here also we got 7 by 25, no? So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS, correct? Hence it is proved. All right, hence it is proved. So you can keep on doing it in a single sheet like this continuously. Here only you are supposed to write it, but I have done it on the right hand side just to get these values and all. All right, I hope you are understanding all these things. These are quite simple, no? So whenever I write a question, pause the video and try it so that it becomes easy for you. All right, let us move on to the seventh question. What is this seventh question? In triangle PQR, write on this question. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. All right, this is given, and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the value of cot P. All right, let us draw the diagram first of all. right angled at Q, right? So here is the right triangle. Okay, so we have got a right triangle here, right angled at Q. You understand the meaning of right angled at Q, no? So here is Q, and after that P is there and R is there, and in that they are mentioning what is the given data. They are mentioning PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. All right, they are giving this. I mean, by using this data, can I write PR is equal to 25 minus QR? Of course, correct, no? So we can write it like this, no? So let me write it as equation number 1. So PR means, you understand, no? So here is PR, P to R. So PR minus PR plus QR, sorry, PR plus QR. So these two values, so together they are 25, and right now I can write it as PR is equal to 25 minus QR. So I call it as equation number 1, and they have given PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. That means this is 5 centimeter. So I'll write that also. So PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Now they're asking us to find the value of cot P. I mean, this cot P they're asking. To get the cot P, I must need QR, correct? If I get the value of QR, then I can say that cot P is equal to adjacent side divided by opposite side. All right, let us try to find this QR now. How to do this? Now by using Pythagoras theorem. All right, we can use Pythagoras theorem now. So if we use Pythagoras theorem, what we are going to get, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square now. All right, so what is the value of PR? So just now we wrote PR means, what is this? Look at this, PR is equal to 25 minus QR. So let me write that PR means 25 minus QR, 25 minus QR whole square, correct? PR, I am writing this as 25 minus QR, and that is equal to PQ square. So what is the value of PQ? PQ is like 5 square plus as usual I am going to write it as QR square. All right, so 25 minus QR whole square means it is of the form A minus B whole square. So that's why it becomes A square plus B square minus 2AB, 2 into 25 into QR, correct? And that is equal to 25 plus QR square. All right, so here QR square and QR square they get cancelled, and 25 square is like 625, 625 minus 50 QR, and that is equal to 25. All right, so I am going to send this 50 QR that side. It becomes 50 QR is equal to 625 minus 25. All right, so afterwards I am going to get it as 50 QR is equal to 600, correct? So then QR is equal to 600 divided by 50. So 0 0, then 5 ones are 5 ones are 1 is a carry, 5 twos are. So I am going to get this QR is equal to how many centimeter? 12 centimeter, correct? So where is the QR here? QR is how much is that? 12 centimeter. So this I got it as 12 centimeter, and definitely you are able to find this PR also. Why? Because this PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. No, this is 12 means this will be 13 or not. Or by using Pythagoras theorem also you can do it, but simply also you can write it. But as of now there is no need of this, because what they are asking, they are asking us to find the value of cot P. Okay, what is this cot P they are asking? Now you know about cot P. Tan P is opposite by adjacent, and this is like cot P is like adjacent. What is the value of adjacent for P? I mean PQ is adjacent divided by what is opposite? QR is the opposite. So that's why I'm going to get it as 5 divided by 12. So cot P is equal to 5 by 12. So as per the given data, so always the answer will be hidden in the given data. Look at this. I mean, in this data, by using this PR is equal to PR plus QR equal to 25 centimeter, we have converted like this, and we have found out the answer. All right, so I think this question is very clear to all of you. These type of questions are very common in board exams. Now, eighth question is like this. Evaluate 2 tan square 45 degree, 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree, then minus sine square 60 degree. All right, it's all about remembrance. So if you remember the value, you are able to do that. 2 into tan 45 is like 1, that is 1 square, plus cos 30 means sine 60 is root 3 by 2, then it becomes root 3 by 2 whole square, minus sine 60 is again root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square. So it becomes 2 into 1 plus root 3 by 2 means it becomes whole square means root 3 whole square is 3 divided by 4 minus and it also becomes 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4, they get cancelled. 2 into 1 is 2. So this is the answer. So this was also quite simple, can be asked for 1 mark. And ninth question, if tan of a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, and it is given that 0 degree is less than a plus b is less than or equal to 90 degree. That means we handle in acute angles, no, we don't cross 90 degree in 10th standard, that's why. And one more data is given, a is greater than b. Now they are asking us to find the value of a and b. Find the value of a and b. All right, let us do this. What is the given data? Given data is like tan of a plus b. Look at this, tan of a plus b is equal to root 3. Now tan of a plus b is root 3 means we know that tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3, no? So from this we can write it as compare this a plus b and 60. So a plus b, together it becomes 60 degree. A plus b is equal to 60 degree. Let me call it as equation number 1. All right. So then afterwards, second data is given. What is this? Tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, and we know that tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Now here also you can observe a minus b and 30 both are same, so that's why I'm going to write it as a minus b is equal to 30 degree, and I'm going to call it as equation number 2. Now I'm going to solve both of these equations. So I will say solve equation number 1 and equation number 2. So what is equation number 1? A plus b is equal to 60 degree. And what is the second equation? A minus b is equal to 30 degree. Now look at this plus b and minus b. We are going to add them, then they are going to cancel each other. Correct, no? So a plus a is 2a. Then 2a is equal to how much it becomes? Correct, no? Is it understood? 2a is equal to, it becomes 90 degree. See, one is plus b. Look at this. One is plus b, another is minus b. If you just add them, they will get cancelled. No, one is plus, another is minus. All right. So a is equal to, I am going to get it as 90 degree divided by 2. Correct. So a is equal to what you will get here? 45 degree. Okay. 2 ones are 2 fours are 1, then 45. So a is like 45 degree. Correct. So let me call it as equation number 3. Now you put this equation number 3 in 1 or 2, anyone. So anyone you want. So that is like equation number 1 is a plus b is equal to 60 degree. So I have got this a as 45 degree, right? So 45 degree plus b is equal to 60 degree. So b is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree. So that is going to be 15 degree. So angle b is 15 degree. I hope it is clear. All right. So if you check this also with these values of a plus b, a is 45, b is 15. 45 plus 15 you'll get 16, and 45 minus 15 is you'll get 30. All right. So like these questions are quite common in your exam, and you should be able to do this. All right. So then moving forward to 10th question. Here is the question. Show that tan 48 degree into tan 67 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 23 degree is equal to 1. All right. So let us take this LHS. Let us take this LHS value. So what is this? That is like tan 48 degree, tan 67 degree, and tan 42 degree, and into tan 23 degree, and that should be shown equal to 1. Now look at this. Whenever you get this 48 degree, 67 degree, we don't know the values of this, so we have to go for this complementary angles. So this 48 degree is complementary with what? It is complementary with 42 degree, because 48 plus 42 it becomes 90, right? And this tan 67 degree and this 23 degree, so they are complementary. So that's why I'm going to write them separately. So these two separately and these two separately. And in the first line it becomes tan 48 degree into this tan 42 degree, means it becomes tan of 90 degree minus 48 degree. Correct, no? 90 minus 48 is 42 degree. and after here also I am going to write tan 67 degree into tan of 90 degree minus 67 degree. Correct now? Because this 23 can be written as 90 minus 67. They are complementary, no? So that's why. So I'm going to write it as tan 48 degree into tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. So that's why I'm going to get it as cot 48 degree. And again tan 67 degree is there. And tan of 90 minus 67 is cot 67 degree. So this is cot 67. So now we can just do the tan 48 degree into cot 48 means it can be written as 1 divided by tan 48, correct, into tan 67 degree into cot 67 can be written as 1 over tan 67 degree. All right, so tan 48, tan 48, tan 67, tan 67 all got cancelled and we got the answer 1, which is equal to RHS, and hence it is proved. Look at this. All right, so like that there are many levels of question, dear children. So already the first video is available in the playlist, and we have brought this second video for you, and we are going to have the third video also. So whatever doubts you have, they will also be solved. So keep on watching these videos, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video whatever you want to listen to, whichever chapter you want. Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that good content reaches all students. Thank you very much. Have a good day and bye bye.